Are you struggling with hair loss? You know, losing your hair, it can take an emotional toll. And it's not just about your looks, it's about how you feel on the inside. Well, Hairmax, it's a solution that can bring back your hair and your confidence. Laser therapy uses specific wavelengths of light to rejuvenate your hair follicles. It's kind of like giving your scalp a dose of sunshine, encouraging your hair to grow healthier and stronger. So whether it's the laser comb, the laser band, or the laser cap, Hairmax is designed for your comfort and ease of use.
As we age, the hair follicles miniaturize and weaken. Once thick, vibrant hair becomes thin and wispy. Left untreated, it usually progresses. I recommend starting Hairmax laser therapy at the first sign of hair loss. The results are very impressive, an over 90% success rate.
Experience the joy of fuller, healthier hair and a renewed sense of confidence that comes with it.